SMF MMTs. What we're going to show here is, and I have it in the video, this is going to be, we're going to start right here. And we're going to start with the Google $630 call, how deflated that the contract is. The high of the contract was 29.23 right here. On the other side of it is that the 610 put, the lows of the 610 put were right here. So let's get this in the video. That's the 610 put. $6.10, and today's high was inflated price at 2060. So basically what we're going to look at here is how this bottom one is buyable now because it's deflated, and how that inflated one is going to sell off. When it comes back down in value, this is going to inflate back up in price. And Google right now is breaking out to all-time highs here and now. So basically we finally are seeing where we got 2 teenies up. That's $1.90 times 2. And we're finally thromboning above 98, and everything is burning them cylinders, so that price action volatility has really done its thing. The bid and ask is 611.46. You can see we have broke the intraday high. High was $612 right there. And that's the kind of thing that we were talking about. When you're coming down on them big bars down, you need to see them big teeny blasters up. Blaster 1, blaster 2. We stayed elevated here. We stayed elevated in the brain, like I said. That's this number here. You're about to go into ratio is only minus 0.3. We made a ratio high. We got to a positive 0.1 and we fell back a little bit. And this is what I was talking about. 1 teeny, 2 teenies at $1.98. Let's take a look at the half bar. That bar from the bottom up was $3.88. And we're closing $4 above the half previous bar, and this half bar breakout is the kind of thing we're looking for, and how that powerhouse bottom starts to get put in, because we're elevated and we made a positive intraday trend ratio high with a big breakout. Not only that, MMTs, here is the call, the 630 put a bottom in. And we're going to look at where we can scale the bottom now that we've got confirmation. We want to be safe about the entry so that we know where the pullback and about where that pricing is going to be before we keep breaking these enchiladas higher. But let me tell you, I'm elevated there. Let's get it in the video, and it's everything I said. We went from 0.35 to positive. We actually made $10.60 off of that buying. This is what you're buying. That's the market maker price. And that's the glory of the bottom, and it had a lot of momentum. And I said it would show up. And I also said it will build a better base the longer that you stay elevated there. And this is going in our direction, MMTs. What a great glory.